Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjenjari la di. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bang ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bang ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Kasamla karki Nandy na laban Shillong kelas ajiat ban mi khmat di jela Meghalaya syakaransan ya ko penidur bhabriya belatip kum ka VLCC Femina Miss India arjarapwar kebenlong hadali ka arputrik naitung arjarapwar hakan nyutrik jumang arjarapwar la pelong ek jelang ai kublai kitbok ek Gargee the monitoring cum implementation committee ha Assam club laban lawan bani donlang hakan ek jelang do basan bor sulai MLA ke BJP na South Shillong constituency boderu menteri sarkar jela bula ai silak tengkah kum ke cingai subha ya kan ek samla.
Well, this time when I went to Bombay, they asked me that as compared to other states, why do we get less girls as compared to other states who come for competing for Femina Miss India? I have thought that from now onwards, I hope they will not have this complaint from next year. And whoever wants to participate for Femina Miss India, I will personally groom the youth. This is my initiative, and I hope Meghalaya, Shillong and the people of Meghalaya has given me so much that I will never be able to repay, but I hope I make them proud. Thank you so much everyone for coming.